Have you noticed people sharing their Spotify Wrapped lately? It's a fun and personalized feature that showcases your most listened to songs, artists, and podcasts of the year. If you're wondering how to see yours, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, make sure your Spotify app is up to date. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Spotify in the search bar. If you see an update button next to the app, tap it. This ensures you have the latest version with all the necessary features, including Wrapped. Wait a few moments while the app updates. Once updated, open the Spotify app. Look at the top of the screen, and you should see a banner labeled Wrapped. Tap on it to enter the Wrapped section. This area includes various stats and trends, but what you're looking for is the first option, your Wrapped. Select it, and the app will start generating your personalized Wrapped experience, complete with visuals and insights into your listening habits. And there you have it. Enjoy exploring your Wrapped and sharing it with friends. It's the perfect way to reflect on your year in music. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.